Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing us another way. It's a different way and to make and utilize a profit calculator. So this is my design and we'll just quickly go and see an example. So when I said different way, I go 1,000 for example and I say 900. No. That was 1120. So I still have 10% more to pay. But if I was to go 100, I have 100%. And then, so I just made a quick error there. In my thing, I haven't put a reset button. That's your choice if you want to. So if I was to put 100 here, 1,000 there, and I put 100 here, and I press calculate, I get 90. But then if I put 100 again and I press calculate, it doubles up. So I haven't put a reset in there. I have to keep on just changing it around. But it's your choice if you would like to put a reset button. But as you can see, it works pretty well. 45, I do 9, and I still have 80% to pay. Again, if I do, again, I have to reset, preview. Again, the most random number in the world. Let's see how big it can go. Oh, there's even a letter in there. And I go here. I still have 96% to pay. Again, look, it looks like a lot of numbers, but it shows the correct percentage calculator. So, let's go through the blocks of how I created this. So, I go button 1 and clicks, and then I go set variable for the selling price, the actual price. So here I've just created 4 variables: profit, cost price, selling price, profit percentage. So I go selling price, which is text input 1 in mine, cost price, text input 2, the app variable profit. So the profit of mine equals to the app variable selling price minus the app variable cost price. And then I want to change that profit and make it a percentage. So then I want to do the app variable profit times 100 divided by the app variable selling price. And then and then I put that in label 3. And I get that join button from the text, and I go round it to app variable profit percentage, and then I just want that percentage sign at the end, so I keep that right there. And I put the vibration in, so when you get that answer, you get that quick vibration, and it tells you everything. So, so if you were to make one slight mistake, so if I, instead of keeping selling price here, if I was to keep cost price, and I went, okay, yeah, let's see how this works. So if I go into here, and I go, maybe, choose that was 900%, that's already out of the percentage rate. So that would not work. And if you were to put, profit in there, which would definitely not work, I go, just with a simple one, I go 10, I go 8, I'm getting 100% there, so that's definitely not right. And obviously the profit percentage would not work, so we just stick with the selling price. So, in my case, the selling price was this. So, how much it was selling for, and how much you bought it for is the cost price. So, the real cost of it was this much. So, if I was to, the actual price was $100. That was the selling price. But the cost price I bought it for, which is the selling price in my view, in my design, would be $30. So, I'm saving money, and this would show you how much money you saved, because if I had $100 and I spent $90, it would show that you had saved 10%. If I had $100 and I were to but I bought it for $50, then I would have saved $50. And if I also had, let's say, maybe 1,000 in this view, 1,000, and if I put 300, then I have 70 because you just saved 70% there because you got it for $1,000, but you've bought it for only $300. So you saved 70% of your money right there. So this is just to give you a basic understanding on how to create something, and it's also an amazing way to get a view of Thunkable. And if you guys have any more suggestions on any more videos I should make like this, like for example maybe a GUI app or any apps that you think I should make in Thunkable, or maybe like a secure password app, actually that might be my next video. So I might be doing a secure password app next video. So remember just to keep an eye on that one, because that one's going to be really important, and it's gonna make the way you use Thunkable so much easier. So thanks for listening, guys, and I hope you liked the video. Remember, if you have any suggestions, keep them in the comments below. Thank you.